Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn how to complete a five-finger retell. When we read a story, it is important to make sure we understand what we read. And in order to do that, we want to be able to retell all of the parts of the story. And so we want to make sure to include who the characters are, where the setting is of the story, and what happened in the beginning, the middle, and the end. Now, as you can see on my screen, I have a picture of a hand. And obviously, on the hand, we have five fingers. So when we retell a story, we're going to put up one finger for each part of the story. And so we're going to practice today with a very popular story that everyone should know and remember, and it's called Goldilocks and the Three Bears. So, if we're retelling this story, the first part of the story that we like to talk about or retell are the characters. And so I asked myself, in Goldilocks and the Three Bears, who were the characters in the story? That's right, Goldilocks and the bears. Those were my characters. Now I move on to the setting. Where did the story take place in Goldilocks and the Three Bears? Let me think. Oh, I know. It was in the forest. Also in a house. That was our setting. After I tell the characters and the setting, I want to think about what happened in the beginning of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. What happened in the beginning of our story? That's right. Goldilocks was walking through the forest and she found a house. Now I think about the middle of my story. What event happened in the middle of the story? Well, we know Goldilocks found the house, so what did she do next? That's right. She went inside the house to see what was in there. And while she was inside the house, she tried out the bear's things. Then, what did she do? What happened in the end of the story? Oh, I remember. The bears came home and were very upset that Goldilocks had used all of their things. And so they chased her out of the house. And that is what happened in the end. Boys and girls, that is how you complete a five-finger retell, with retelling a story by identifying one finger for the characters, one finger for the setting, one finger for the beginning, one finger for the middle, and one finger for the end.